How to create a poll in WhatsApp. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in. Now navigate to the chat where you want to create the poll. It could be an individual chat or a group chat. In the chat screen, look for the attachment icon next to the camera icon at the bottom. This opens a menu with various options. From the list of options, choose poll. Furthermore, at the top of the poll creation screen, you will see a box that says ask a question. Type in the question you want to ask. Then below the question, you will find boxes where you can add the answer option. WhatsApp allows you to add up to 12 options for your poll. Additionally, if you want participants to be able to select multiple answers, toggle the switch beside the multiple answer option. Once you have entered your question and option, take a moment to review everything. If you are satisfied, hit the send button to share the poll with your chat. Finally, your poll will be visible in the chat and everyone can start voting. That's it. You have successfully created a poll on WhatsApp.